Okay, you guys, we're going to talk about finding the area of a circle, okay? Finding the area of a circle. Now, what was the formula that we did yesterday for finding the circumference of a circle? Say it again. What was that formula? Circumference equals pi times what? Diameter. Or if I'm given the radius, it would be circumference is equal to pi times 2 times r. Now that's for the perimeter of a circle, the circumference. Okay, now for the area of a circle, you're going to have squares. So I'm going to write the formula up here and then we're going to talk about it. It's pi times radius times radius. Okay? And then you need to remember that radius is equal to the diameter divided by 2. So if the problem gives you the diameter, you need to divide it by 2 and then put the radius in this formula. So those are the two formulas that you need to know for today. Pi times radius times radius. So remember, it's very important to know the different parts of a circle. This is circle A because the center of the circle is labeled A, and the circle is formed by having an equal distance from the center to the edge. Going from the center to the edge is the radius, but we do that all the way around to create the circle. We know from studying the lesson from yesterday that the circumference is the perimeter of the circle. That's what this black line represents. Okay? A diameter, there's several diameters in the circle, but the diameters are all the same length. If you go from one edge of the circle through the center and out the other edge with a straight line, you form the diameter. And like I said, the radius is any straight line from the center to the edge of the circle, and it's equal distance all the way around. There you have several radii. And I just drew one of each there. So you need to know what the radius is, you need to know what the diameter is, and you need to know that the circumference is the perimeter of the circle. Any questions about this? Because we talked about these yesterday. Nope? Okay, great. Now, the area is going to be the inside measure. We haven't done the inside measure of the circle yet. We've done the circumference.